In this video, we go over covalent ions and formal charge. Covalent ions are charged covalent compounds, and for most of the cases, it usually just tends to be a proton attached to a lone pair. Usually, to figure out whether you have a covalent ion or not, you apply the concept of conservation of charge, which means that if you start with a neutral system, you must end with a neutral system. If you start with a negatively charged system, you must end with a negatively charged system, etc., etc. Once we know that a covalent ion is present, we probably want to figure out the formal charge of each atom in the molecule so that we know where the charge is. Now, formal charge is the formula of valence electrons in an atom minus the number of unshared electrons minus the number of bonds. For example, with this structure derived from this equation, we want to figure out whether the positive charge is on the hydrogen or on the nitrogen. To do so, we calculate the formal charge of hydrogen, where the number of valence electrons in the atom is 1, the number of unshared electrons is 0, and the number of bonds is 1, giving hydrogen a formal charge of 0. Whilst nitrogen has 5 valence electrons, it has 0 unshared electrons, and 4 bonds, giving it a formal charge of +1. Hence, the positive charge lies on nitrogen. When dealing with Lewis structures, knowing the formal charge can also be helpful. A neutral Lewis structure is always favored over a charged Lewis structure, even if the octet rule is satisfied.